You ever want to see a European truck stop? Maybe we can compare it to our truck stops back home, you know? It's not like the Loves here, I'll tell you. My name's Kevin, I'm a solo driver for CRETE Carrier, and you're watching The Joy of Trucking. We're here at the Surways. These guys run rest stops all over the place. They've got over 400 of them. And we're in Germany right now. So this is a map of Germany, and this is showing all their locations. We were staying in Frankfurt, right here. And we drove down here to Grafenhausen. Hey, welcome to Grafenhausen West, Raststätte. And if you look on the map, you've got Berlin up here and Munich down here. So that gives you an idea of the size and shape of the country and the area that we're in right here, right in the middle. So we got cars and trucks parking here. I think maybe 80 spots for the truckers. We'll do a full walk around in this big old parking lot in our next video and get a good look at some of these cool European trucks. Don't miss it. I see food. There's a McDonald's. There's a place with sausages and sandwiches. There's a coffee shop. There's, you know, you can buy different stuff. There's bathrooms. A lot of these have showers too. The truckers have to stay here over the weekend. On their 6-day ride, they have to spend 45 hours on their reset, not 34. And they're not allowed to drive on Sundays on any of the highways. That's reserved just for cars on Sundays. So these guys are pretty much here for the whole weekend. So I hope they got plenty of food and a nice clean shower. All right, let's go take a look.
Wow, healthy food.
Wow, healthy food. Looks like some salad. And we got some fried food, sausages, potatoes. I don't see the roller grill. Schnitzel, French fries, pizza. The beer and wine and the cooler there. Scooter's here. Can't go on the Autobahn with a scooter. How big is it? I think he's going to be a sidewalk.
That's a good question. So where's the...
That's for cars. You use the bathroom.
We will, but let's look at the...
Here.
That's for cars though. This is for cars. Hey! There's another little store. Is this? Is there no fuel for trucks?
Roof. It's got a picture of a car there and a truck there. See the prices? We got diesel, and then gas, and then ultimate diesel, and then ultimate 102, and then LKW is trucks. So the truck diesel, and then AdBlue, that's probably the death. Same price for cars and trucks for diesel, but they're listed separately. I wonder if it changes it from time to time.
Yeah.
And ultimate diesel? Well, it looks like they got 3 different kinds of diesel. You get the ultimate diesel is a higher price. I wonder why. And 2.36 euros per liter for that ultimate diesel works out to about $9.38 US per gallon. If anybody out there is using that ultimate diesel, maybe you could put some comments down below and let us know what you think of it. You got a coin? Yeah, I think this is a big fat one. Then you get a ticket so you can go buy something.
Oh, €1 VC. This is for, gotta figure this out.
Put a coin up there, and then you go through the turnstile, right? And piece of paper.
Woohoo!
Key to the shower is available at the counter, so I guess you pay for it there.
Okay, out you go. How does it
only
work?
one. So when I went into the bathroom, I had to pay €1 to get in, and I got this little coupon looking thing. And then when I went upstairs to the store, that coupon gave me €1 off of whatever my purchase was.
Oh my God, that is so good. Huh? Now we're leaving. Hey, there's a child up in there with that guy.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, taking the family.
Christmas vacation.
Yeah. Okay. This was fascinating.
Yep, a lot of stuff. Glad we finally got to do it.
Yes. We want to give a big shout out and a very big thank you to our dear friend Susanne who made this happen. Now let's go for a little ride on the Autobahn. And if you're wondering about these overhead wires, be sure to catch another video where we'll talk about that. It's a very innovative research project they have going on over here called ELISA. Thanks so much for joining us in Germany for this visit to a truck stop. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. Have you been to Germany? Have you been on the Autobahn? Are you a trucker in Europe? Please share your thoughts down below. We always appreciate that. And of course, if you like riding with us, traveling with us, exploring with us, learning about trucking with us, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you down the road. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.